Do you want to learn how to make your partner understand you? Then here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Focus on what you want. Do you know why your partner is not able to understand you? Because your mind thinks about what's wrong and what's wrong about your partner, which leads to all those negative incidents. And that doesn't do any good to you. But your negative thoughts about your partner and those past incidents actually go into your partner's ears. You may think that if you fix those past incidents, or if you fix your partner's negative traits, all of those problems will go away. And that's where you're mistaking. When you focus on what's wrong with your partner and what's wrong in the relationship and what's wrong in the past, you're actually magnifying the hurt between the two of you. Both of you experience that hurt again in the present, isn't it? Whereas the truth is that past is not going to do any good. It's going to bring anger, hurt, self-pity and victimization to both of you, right? So give up your urge to fix the past, to fix your partner, and focus on here and now. Focus on working on the present. Focus on what you want in the present. Past is past. We are not denying that that was not real for you. That past was real for you. But if you keep focusing on what was real then, you cannot focus on creating the new present. Letting go of the past is difficult. But focusing on the present is an attitude, is a forward-thinking mindset. Step number 2. Appreciate, share specifically, and ask in specific. It's well said, the first impression is the lasting impression. When you start your talk by appreciating your partner for all the good that he or she does to you, your partner will be able to trust you. He or she will have that compassionate heart to listen to what you have to say. So you can say to your partner, I really love you. You are very important to me. You do so many good things for me. And I know you support me so much. All that support matters to me. Also, now I want some help from you. When you say in this way, your partner will feel appreciated and will be motivated to help you. And then you have to share your specific concern. Share the details of what's going on and what you want. So you can start by saying, I have this concern. When you mention the concern without blaming your partner, he or she will listen to you. And then tell how that concern is impacting you, how you feel with that. And then mention what specifically you want from your partner. So for example, if you want more couple time, you can say, I want more couple time. And then mention what exactly you will be able to do for your partner if that thing gets done. This is like you are helping your partner understand the logic of what you need and how that can benefit him or her as well. And then mention how you can support your partner in getting those things done. Now you may think, what's the point of telling all the logic in that very sequence? The answer is, if you tell the logic of what you feel, what you want, what you can do in return, and how much flexible you are, and what support you can extend to your partner to get those things done, your partner will have a map of what he or she needs to do, and why he or she needs to do that, and what is in it for him or her. And when you are done saying all that you have to say, you have to invite your partner to share his or her world as well. So tell your partner that I want to know your world on this. Please tell me what you think about all that I've shared. Now, if your partner is able to share his or her world, you do not have to interrupt him or her. You do not have to interject or judge. Just listen to what he or she thinks. And if your partner is unable to share more, you can very gently ask, how do you feel with this? What do you need for yourself in getting this done? What support do you want from me? You need to also know your partner's world. It's a two-way relationship, isn't it? Step number 3. Collaborate. After when you've shared what you want from your partner, you also need to see that both of you are able to collaborate and create a midway. It's never going to be only your way or highway. You have to negotiate what's best for both of you. If you just want to say what you want to say and you're inflexible, your partner will see that you are rude or maybe you're selfish. And then, even if it's in capacity of your partner, he or she will not do those things for you. And all of that turns into a fight. You need to show your willingness to create midways. If you keep a strong, inflexible stand, it won't go for too long. So instead, be welcoming to your partner's inputs as well, so that both of you can create a mutually acceptable solution. At the end of the day, it's about the life that both of you have to live together. We at Mind Tigers offer one-to-one personalized program where we teach you how to do the right things and develop the right habits to create a love-filled relationship. You get a personal trainer for 7 weeks who handholds you to do those daily actions every day with just a simple 5-minute exercise for 49 days. So do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!